In this video, I want to show you how to find the unknown variable in the denominator. And the first step we're going to do is to get rid of this denominator. We want to get it to the top. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to multiply both sides by the denominator. So in this case, it's going to be x. So I'm going to multiply x on both sides. The x on the right-hand side will cancel out. On the left-hand side, that leaves us with 4x equals 7. Okay? Now I want the x by itself because I want to know what x is equal to. So then I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So divide both sides by 4. And x is equal to 7 divided by 4. Okay? So that's what you do if you have a unknown variable in the denominator. Just multiply both sides by the denominator and solve for the unknown variable. Next, what about if the unknown variable is in the numerator? So let's take a look at this problem. If the unknown variable is in the numerator, let's say, for example, 8 is equal to x over 3, and we want to know what x is equal to. So then now I'm going to multiply, same thing, same strategy. Let's get rid of that denominator, multiply 3 on both sides, and on the left-hand side, I'm going to get 24. On the right-hand side, I get x, so x is equal to 24.